Okay, we continue to the questions 4, 5, and 6 for the generating excellent in your textbook, page 94 and 95. Okay, this is questions number 5. Okay, given you the area, giving you the rectangle piece of land. So ask you to find the place, the area that is not planted with a vegetable. So actually the question is asking you to find the shaded region here. Because the question mentioned about the triangle shape here and the semicircle shape here actually is planted by vegetarians already. Okay, so and then the question say the point K here and also point M here actually is a midpoint. So that means KL, KJ here will be 10. Okay, here will be 10. Okay, KL and KJ will be 10, and LM and MN will be 8. Okay, hope you understand. So we go to the solution, the working. Okay, so just now I label the region 1, region number 2, and region number 3. Okay, so the area of shaded region will be the area of rectangle minus the area of triangle minus the area of semicircle. So I go find the area of rectangle. Okay, very clear. This 20 multiplied with 16. So I get the values. Okay, then the area of triangle will be 16 divided by 2 because the end point here is a midpoint. So that's why 16 divided by 2, I will have the length of LM. And then 20 divided by 2 because I want to find the length of KL. So I get it. The area of triangle will be 1 over 2 multiplied with 8 multiplied with 10. So I get the values for D. I hope you understand. So I go find also the area of semicircle. Okay, the area of semicircle, I'm using the formula 1 over 2 multiplied with pi r square. Pi r square is the area of circle. 1 over 2 because this is a semicircle. So I apply the values here. I need to find 20 divided by 2. 20 divided by 2 is because 20 here is represent the diameter. Look at here. 20 is P to N. This is actually the diameter of the semicircle, but our formula is radius. We need to using radius. So I change it, become 20 divided by 2. Okay, that is to find the radius. So I get the values also. After that, don't forget, not yet done. We need to minus the values by using the rectangle minus the area of triangle, area of semicircle, then we get the final answer. So I hope you all understand. Okay, so we go to the questions number 5. Okay, this is the questions number 5. So the diagram, I think maybe the diagram will be a little bit confusing. So we go to see the diagram here. Okay, so let's see. Maybe this region I label as 1. Okay. So this region number 1, actually I can move it, the whole region here, move it down here. I can move the whole region here down. So I will get the diagram become like this. Okay, and then when it become like this, you will see very clear this part, this is actually the bigger semicircle minus the smaller semicircle. Then I will get the area here. Okay, and then the small circle here, we have a quadrant being shaded also. So that means the question asking you to find the area of the shaded region actually is finding the semicircle minus the area of big semicircle here minus a small semicircle, and then plus with another quadrant circle here. Okay, I hope you understand. So we go to the working. Okay, so you see the area is a small sector here. This is a quadrant of the circle, area of quadrant circle, plus with the area of number 2. I label number 2 here and number 3 here. So number 2 and number 3 actually is the area of number 2 and number 3 actually is a larger semicircle minus with a smaller semicircle. Okay, so larger semicircle I get 1 over 2 times pi r square. The second one is also 1 over 2 multiplied with pi r square, but the different radius we have. The bigger one is 20. Okay, the bigger one radius is 20. Okay, the smaller one is 10. Okay, go back to the questions again. The question is mentioned about the radius here, given OE equal to ED equal to 10. So OE is the radius for the small circle, and O to D will be 20. That is the radius for the bigger circle, because OE and ED is a 10. Same, that is 10, so total up will be 20. So that's why I said the bigger circle have the radius as 20. Okay, so that means I find the area of semicircle and minus, I get the area of the total area for the area I label as 2 and 3. And then the quadrant actually not difficult to find. The quadrant just using 1 over 2 multiplied with the area of the circle. Now we're using 10 as the radius because this is a small circle. So finally, add on everything, we get 550. So I hope you understand. If you are not understand, please refer my notes in Google Classroom. Okay, we go to the questions number 6. Questions number 6 actually also because the diagram is confusing. So you see, this is a bigger circle. Okay, there is a round window. Okay, decoration by the circular ring. Okay, so this is a circular ring. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ring there. And then you see the ring actually, 3 ring can cover the whole diameter of the window. So that means the question says radius of the window is 45. That means the diameter will be 90. So 90 divided by 3, we get the diameter for each of the ring here. Okay, you see, that is why I say the total diameter of the bigger circle actually is 90. That is 2 times 45 because the question say there is 45 radius for the window. Okay, 45 radius for the window. Okay, so I have 2 times 45. And then to find the diameter for the small circle, okay, I need to do the 90 divided by 3. So here you see I get 90 divided by 3. 90 divided by 3. Then I divide again by 2 because I want to find the radius. Okay, because I want to find the radius, so I divide another 2 here. So 90 divided by 3, I get the diameter for each of the ring here, the circle, the small ring here. Okay, after that, I divide by 2 again because I want to find the radius. Okay, so then I can find the area of the region that not covered by decoration. So that is the area of shaded. So we go find area of shaded. So that means I need to find the big circle, the area of big circle here, the large circle. After that, I minus 5 the area of the small circle. That's why I have write down here. I write down the area of shaded region is equal to the area of large circle minus with 5 times the area of small circle. So we find each of the large circle area, okay, the area of small circle, okay, and then I apply into the calculation. Okay, large circle, the area of large circle minus with 5 times the area of small circle, I get the values. So I hope you understand. And if you are not understand, you can review the video here also, or you can get my notes in the Google Classroom. Again, I mentioned all these notes I post in my Google Classroom already. You can get it very easily. Okay, that's all.